And this isn't just slap down some cushions. This is a full South Beach style lounging area with cup holders, great access through the windshield. That's a sliding windshield, which I'll show you in a few minutes. And that hardtop is a sunroof. That's a power sunroof that can be completely retracted or closed depending on weather conditions, whether you want to run air conditioning, and so on. So lots of your guests and family are going to enjoy spending time up here while cruising. The thing that's important when considering a new boat purchase is that you can handle the boat. And ideally that you can handle the boat by yourself. So what Regal has done is they have included the really impressive joystick control system. If you're not familiar with a joystick control system, it lets you handle your boat almost like a video game. So if I move this joystick left, if I move it right, the boat moves left and right. If I rotate the joystick like this, the boat literally rotates on its axis. I call the joystick the marriage saver because it makes it very easy to handle and dock your boat in close quarters. Regal has also included a bow thruster option. So the joystick in most conditions can maneuver this boat without any assistance in any way. But sometimes in a big boat like this, heavy wind requires a little extra thrust in the bow to bring that bow in or whichever way you need to move it. And this has that right here with a bow thruster. Of course, you have top grade Garmin electronics, both of which are integrated with a Garmin radar and a FLIR forward-looking infrared night vision system, which I'll reference in another video.